Hey everybody, I'm Dorothy the Organizer, and I'm your business organizing coach while you work from home. I'm also the expert on the TV show Hoarders. And welcome to day 3 of your work at home series, or rather work from home. Yesterday we talked about minimizing distractions, and today I want to fire up your engines and help you with tips on how to get motivated to start working from home each day and stay motivated throughout the day. So here are 5 tips I want to give you. Number 1 is to think about whether you're a night person or a morning person. If you're a night person, you want to create your plan for tomorrow at night. And that is laying out what time you're going to get up, what time you'll have breakfast, if you're going to go for a walk around the block, if you have to drop off a kid, and what time you plan to be in the office. If you're a morning person, you also want to plan your day. Just do it that morning when you're fresh and alert and make all those decisions as well. Now another thing, maybe before you even get out of bed, which is tip number 2, that is to think about what is the single most important task you need to complete today. Get clear on what that task is, what your deliverable is for your client or for your office and company, and just put that on your monitor, in your calendar, and stay focused. Number 3, play some music, motivating music while you're getting ready. And that always brings up the energy and brings up the physiology for you so you feel like you're motivated to go to work. Then, number 4, set yourself up for daily or hourly rewards. Maybe every couple of hours, think about grabbing a cup of coffee, go out and hug your toddler. Even, what else? Jump rope. That's what it is. I mean, this is what I do to break up my day. I jump rope for 100 jumps. So that's it. I'll give you number 5 because just in case you're having trouble getting motivated, you can always turn this video back on because I'll be here to say VICTORY, 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 that's our cry. And you, my dear work from home superstars, can do it. So join me tomorrow, have a great day, and come back when we will learn about how to create phenomenal productivity in your work from home day. Good luck.